Alrighty guys, so we're going to do a walkthrough here of the buffet at the Beau Rivage. That is basically the entrance right there where you pay, you get seated, and you walk in here. This is the buffet, so let's do a little review here. So as you walk into the left-hand side here, it's going to be your plates. And then look how beautiful this is. These are fresh, warmed rolls. And let me tell you something, they are amazing. Cornbread muffins. You got your fresh fruits. What we got here? Shrimp cocktail with tartar sauce and cocktail sauce. Then you got your dressings, because next up is going to be the salad station. Let's see, you got romaine lettuce, you got spinach and a spring mix. You got cucumbers, you got what looks like raisins, broccoli, onions, carrots, cheese, assorted meats. Everything for you to make a pretty salad. You got your croutons. We got some soups here. Let's see what we got. Looks like we have tomato basil. That is vegetable soup, chili, and chicken noodle soup, which honestly looks amazing. And you got your crackers up top. So you got your soup station. Then over here you got like a little kind of like pita bread Greek olive station. You got some cucumbers. Then you got your pasta salads. That's a creamy hummus, a giatte bean salad, a Asian coleslaw, and a potato salad. Then I'm not sure, but you got some soy sauce up here and some sour cream. Not sure what those are for, but those are here. Over here you've got a soft serve section, which is nice. You got cones and cups. It's got all these little toppings you can do. M&Ms, peanut butter, chocolate, little chocolate morsels there. It's really good. All right, now for the food. Let's go. Here we go. So starting out here with the little Asian section, that is a lemongrass beef, Korean barbecue short ribs. This is a sweet and sour chicken. You've got your steamed pot stickers. Then you got a little wok station, which is cool. So these are all your wok items, so you can choose what wok item you want. A lot of pretty vegetables in there with wok items. And then you can come over here and you can choose chicken, shrimp, or steak, and they will actually cook your fresh wok here. They do a great job at it. It's really, really good. So you can choose your wok items. As we keep going here, we're going to go down the line. That is a corned beef and cabbage. Some kind of stew. Looks like there's some clams in there. Maybe a mashed potato with onions. I think it's mashed potatoes and onions. And a lamb stew. That looks old, but it looks pretty. Look at this shepherd's pie. It looks beautiful. Shepherd's pie right there. That is salmon and dill cream sauce. It looks really good. Guinness beef stew. We do some really pretty stuff here. The sliders, good. How are you? Good. Sliders look amazing. I'm going to. We're excited. It looks good. Look at these pretty pizzas. Oh my goodness, that just looks stunning. We got some quesadillas. Look really nice. We're going to keep going down here in a second. Look at that. They're making fresh made pizzas in there in that actual pizza oven, which is crazy. They look beautiful. Alrighty, so we're going to hop in here. So that's just what they call Hoppin' John. Not exactly sure what that is right there. They got zucchini and spinach au gratin. They got roasted tomato with pesto. Looks pretty. We got green beans. Looks beautiful. Look at the Brussels sprouts. Look at the caramelization on those. You got roasted carrots and some kind of sauce. Not sure about the sauce. Roasted asparagus. Everything here looks really fresh and nice. Now you've got a pasta station. Not getting any action on the pasta, but it looks like they got some kind of meat sauce and Alfredo. They got chicken, shrimp, 2 types of pastas, some assorted vegetables you can put in there. So they will make you a fresh pasta, which is awesome. As we go down here, you got Mississippi fried catfish, mac and cheese, southern fried chicken. What else we got here? So this is your rice that you put at the base. Then you got seafood gumbo. So we got a seafood gumbo. We got I'm not sure exactly what this is. I'm not exactly sure what that is. And then you got a red beans and sausage. That's Sammy's favorite. And as we keep going here, you got your other section of dining area. We round the corner here, you're gonna have more stuff. This is hot honey roasted sweet potatoes. Man, those are glistening. Mexican corn, fried pork chops. Looks like just like a grilled pork chop. Some fried shrimp. Got a carving station we'll look at here in a second. And then on this side we've got fried chicken livers and a brown gravy sauce. It looks like, I can't think of the name of it, the hamburger patties inside of a gravy. Can't think of the name of it. Mashed potatoes. Someone tell me in the comments. Cabbage rolls. Man, it's gonna kill. I can't think of the name of that. Fried chicken gizzards. They had fried chicken liver, I think. And now they got fried chicken gizzards, and then a blackened fish. And then we got your carving station. So look at that. They've got rotisserie chicken. You've got ribs. And look at that right there. That looks stunning. You got some vegetables, prime rib. You got your au jus and sauces. Then we're gonna go check out the desserts. And that's where you enter over there. You walk in here. So let's see what we got over here. We got our pastries. Oh my God, you got some beignets. What we got over here? This is gonna be the dessert section. Let's take a look at this. So up here we got some assorted danishes. Some I don't know, cake right there. Some more assorted danishes, some kind of pie. That looks like a cheesecake to me. That's a cheesecake, maybe a red velvet cake. You got cookies. I can't think of the name of these, but I know what they are. Another kind of cheesecake. Red velvet cakes. Oh, just Rice Krispies. Then we got whiskey rye syrup. I guess that you put that over the bread pudding. We got some kind of apple crumble, peach cobbler. Then she's making homemade beignets right there. They look amazing. Oh my goodness. We're gonna come get some of those. And there's the whole buffet here at the Beau Rivage. Honestly, in my opinion, at 10. Look at all these fresh made pizzas one more time. Wow, they look beautiful. She did a heck of a job on the pizzas. The little sliders, all the wok stations, the pasta stations, the breads. Come on to check it out. It's amazing.